Hello viewers, today we'll be looking at number bases involving quadratic equations. So we are going to solve this and it's going to lead us to a quadratic equation. The question we have on the board requires that we solve for s if 221 base x is equal to 25 base 10. Like we did with linear equations, we change this to base 10. So this will be 2 times x raised to power 2, because this will be raised to power 0, raised to power 1, then raised to power 2. So 2 times x raised to power 2 plus the next digit 2 times x raised to power 1, then plus the last digit 1 times x raised to power 0 equal to 25. 25 is already in base 10. So now we now have 2 times x squared will give us 2x squared plus 2 times x, because x raised to power 1 is x, 2 times x is 2x, then plus x raised to power 0 is 1. So we are having 1 times 1 here equal to 25. So now we have 2x squared plus 2x plus 1. 1 times 1 is 1 equal to 25. We are having a quadratic equation now. Now we have 2x squared plus 2x plus 1. Let's bring the 25 this way. That is minus 25 equal to 0. So we have 2x squared plus 2x plus 1 minus 25 will give us minus 24 equal to 0. Now this is our quadratic equation. I'm going to use factorization method. Now the product of 2 here, which is the coefficient of x, the coefficient of s squared rather, and the constant is minus 24. The constant is minus 24. Now the product of 2 and minus 24 is minus 48. That means 2 times minus 24 will give us minus 48. So what should we do? We look for 2 factors of 48, which when multiplied together will give us minus 48, but when added together will give us plus 2. In this case, the two numbers that can be multiplied together to give us minus 48, but when added will give us plus 2 will be minus 6 and plus 8. When these two numbers are multiplied together, it will give us minus 48, but when they are added, it will give us plus 2. So let us factorize using those two numbers. Recall we have 2x squared plus 2x minus 24 equal to 0. So that will be 2x squared. We are going to replace this, our 2x now, with these two numbers. So instead of having plus 2s, we'll be having minus 6x plus 8s, which is this minus 6x plus 8x, then minus 24 equal to 0. The next thing is for us to group the terms. We group the first two terms together. That will be 2s squared minus 6x grouped together plus 8x minus 24 grouped together equal to 0. Now, we now factorize. In factorizing, we look for what is common here. What is common? 2x is common, because 2 can divide 6. X is also common. So 2x is common. When we bring it out, 2x divide 2x squared will give us x, minus 2x divide 6x will give us 3. Now, we also factorize the second bracket. What is common is 8, because 8 can divide the two terms. Now, having brought out 8, 8 divide 8x will give us x, minus 8 divide 24 will give us 3 equal to 0. Now, we now factorize again. The two brackets are the same. So, x minus 3 is common. That is the meaning. So, we bring out x minus 3. Then whatever is left will be enclosed in a new bracket, which is 2x plus 8 will be enclosed here. 2x plus 8 equal to 0. Now, if this is a multiplication expression, and for two terms to multiply and the answer is 0, that means one of them is definitely equal to 0. So either x minus 3 equal to 0 or 2x plus 8 equal to 0. For here, if we collect our like terms, our x will be equal to minus 3 going this way is equal to 3. Or for here, we have 2x equal to plus 8 going this way is minus 8. Here we are done with this one, so x remains equal to 3 here. But for over here, we will have 2x divided by 2 equal to minus 8 divided by 2. Here 2 will cancel 2, and 2 cancel 8 will give us 4. That means x is equal to 3, or x here is equal to minus 4. Minus 4. These are the two answers. But only one answer is correct. Why is only one answer correct? Number basis. The basis of numbers cannot be negative. That means the negative number is not a base. In this case, only 3 is positive. That means the value of x is equal to 3. So we say, therefore, x equal to 3. Because number bases are always positive, not negative. That is the final answer. Bye.